Look at this question. It's 6 minus 5, which is 1. It's 6 minus 3, which is 3. We will get 3 as answer. But 3 is not correct. If 3 is not correct, then what will be the correct solution for this math question? We have multiplication, subtraction, and this subtraction. This portion means multiplication has always higher priority, either in PEMDAS or BODMAS or DMAS. We have to multiply this one, then this one, then this one. This will be our last step because this subtraction has higher priority over this subtraction. But first of all, we have to multiply. So 6 will be as it is, minus this will give us 30, and it is minus 3. First of all, this one, which will give us minus 24, and it is minus 3. Finally, we will get minus 27, which will be correct solution for this simple math question. Thank you.